Okay, today we're going to do 2 waterfalls and a butterfly park in Ubud.
We're currently staying in the Green Papaya House, which is just south of Ubud Central. It's about a 15-minute ride, I guess, without traffic into Ubud. It's in a little village called Kemenuh, I think. We'll put it written down, forgive my pronunciation if I'm wrong. And we're going to go and visit some sites that are just within a 15-minute drive of here. So one waterfall, and then a famous Tegenungan, we'll put that down as well, waterfall, and the butterfly park that's close by, and yeah, just show you a bit of what's around this area in beautiful Bali. So let's go and have a look.
Let's go. Okay, let's go have a look at Anyar Waterfall.
So we're just at the entrance, and it's 15,000 per person to get in, so it's like $1.50 each. And yeah, someone will come with us, I think, and show us.
So, not sure if we got scammed there, because you can walk down towards the waterfall, but there's someone across the road claiming that you have to pay and set up his own stall. So he's getting $1.50 out of each person. I think he's onto a good one there. But anyway, we paid the man, and now we're going to go check it out.
It did say you were supposed to. That comes with, you're not allowed entrance without a local guide. So that he didn't accompany us. So
Yeah.
we'll see what's happening there.
What's $1.50?
Yeah. This is definitely not a scam. It's actually great value. As you walk down, when you get down to the bottom, there's a guide to show you, and the track has been maintained super well.
Absolutely. Split off and you make a right to the waterfall. And then we ran into this fella. I was a bit distrusting of him in the beginning, but he turned out to be our guide that we'd paid for at the start, and he was very helpful.
He was amazing. He made sure we didn't lose our footing and showed us exactly where to stand in the waterfall. Definitely a highlight so far in Ubud. All the lush greenery. It's absolutely beautiful, eh? Gorgeous.
Yes, ticket price this one.
Right.
Only butterfly park.
Just the butterfly
park, yeah.
Yes.
200,000.
for
Just gonna get a drink, a water to take with us. Ooh, hello.
20.
20.
Yeah.
20.
Hold on.
Geez, still trying to figure out the Indonesian rupiah.
I don't know if we've got 20. It's 50.
Is that 20?
No. You got change?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Swear to God, it's like playing Monopoly, eh?
They're all pretty colours. So the butterflies can't get through the chains. Oh, there's a big fishy wishy. I wasn't expecting that.
Fancy.
Substantial fish. Got a bonsai garden as well. We've got some other animals, exotic animals. Beautiful. It's so well maintained. It's definitely worth coming and taking a look. The tropical gardens are immaculate. Hard to stop the butterflies from escaping, so there's a two-way gate. Let's check this out.
Hello.
How are you today?
Good, how are you?
Good, thank you. Yeah, and that's where you can see the cocoons.
Yeah.
Yeah, all of them is a cocoon for the big one.
Wow.
Yeah, but this is a moth actually.
Amazing.
Yeah, it's like kind of the Atlas moth.
Right.
Atlas moth.
Yeah. Would you like to hold it?
I would love it.
Like that.
Amazing.
How cool. Beautiful.
The wings, and then they can start to play around in this room.
Right.
It's like they born last night,
Yes.
and then today they already can fly.
Okay, amazing.
Like
Yeah.
this one.
Yeah.
Yeah, but this one they have very short lifespan.
Right.
This one just 5 days to live.
Oh,
5
really?
days.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, this one they live only 5 days.
So when they get to this stage,
Yep.
do they breed? Is that what they do?
Yeah.
Yeah.
After they're born, they need to find a partner,
Yeah.
make more babies. I mean, like lay the eggs and then die.
Wow. 5
That's
days.
they can doing around in that time. Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow.
Wow.
This, yeah. This is for the sample. This is the eggs.
Oh yeah. Yeah. Oh wow.
Did you get him on me, G?
Oh, tebal ya?
That's cool.
Looks like it's found its partner.
Yeah.
Cool.
Thank you very much.
right,
Thank
thank you.
you.
Very good. Yeah.
Must suppose you're supposed to have a whole lot of butterflies come and sit all over you.
I'm just a bit there.
Maybe a butterfly will come and sit on that for a stay.
I'll go if you're long enough.
Like a tree. Yeah, how big it is. I wonder if it'll land on my arm. Tomba Bali. Cheers.
So we got 2 meals and 2 drinks for about 25 New Zealand dollars here at the Butterfly Park. Yeah, seems pretty good.
It's we've got traditional food as well as Western food, and you get a 10% discount because you've gone to the park. And we should also tell you there's a water park attached to this whole group of things as well. So if you want to pay a little bit extra and spend a day with the kids or whatever at the water park and the butterfly park, you can do that as well. But we think it's good value. We've got a traditional nasi goreng, and I've gone for just some fried chicken and rice and veggies. So we're going to enjoy that and then head off to check out another waterfall. So we've decided just to walk from the butterfly park to the Tegenungan, we'll put that down below, I'm not sure I'm pronouncing that correctly, waterfall, which is one of the most well-known waterfalls here in Bali, but certainly in the district around Ubud. So not sure if it's a good idea, there's no footpath, but apparently only about an 8-10 minute walk, so we're on our way. Wow, there's a beautiful art gallery here on the way. Got some stunning artworks, and I guess you can buy them and get them shipped back to your country if you want, or buy a Bali villa and chuck them in there. Lots of little boutique shops, they're all asking us to come in and have a look. Lots of traffic.
Hello, madam. Buy one cat for you.
So it looks like they've built a beach club halfway down, which is nice. We found a neat wee waterfall halfway to the big waterfall. Apparently it's a lot better, this one. So.
Maybe waterfall. Oh, ferociousness of it, isn't it? It's
yeah.
quite some force coming down there. It's got a portion of it is cordoned off, so you obviously can't go in that bit. And there's a strong current warning a bit further down, so if you want to dip in, there are areas you can. I preferred the smaller one. What's a million something?
Okay, so the minimum spend is 1,500,000, which is $150. So we're just going to give that one a miss.
I think you could probably, if you're up for it, you'd probably spend a lovely afternoon there, and then it's got a pool, it's got a restaurant, and it goes towards your food, obviously. So the amount that you spend in there goes towards that. So if you wanted to make a day of it, probably a nice day out, but we're just going to go and have something up the top in a local warung, maybe a bintang or something when we get to the top of the stairs. Let's work out. Yeah, so I was just saying to G, we were here when we first came to Bali about 6 years ago, and there was nothing, right? There was just a track walking down to the waterfall, and they've since built this amazing beach club and all the infrastructure around it. They've got an ice cream, selling ice creams down there and really making use of it, and they've done it really well, I must say. It looks like it's integrated and been here forever. It looks like some lost hidden city. So I don't know how they did it and how they carted the stuff up and down, but yeah, they're really making it into a tourist hub, and they've built a glass bridge. We should have got a shot of that. There's an amazing glass bridge going over the river that's just up the road, so it's another touristy thing to do if you'd like to do that. That's just close by. So yeah, really lovely space, but very touristy. This is the life.
Chicken's gone home.
Woohoo! Okay, G. Cheers.
Cheers.